G'day guys, just a real quick video here today, just about the bonnet being up the way it is. So if you're not aware, the Land Rover Discovery D3 and D4, you can put the bonnet in service mode. I'll show you how. So with the bonnet in normal position, if you're accessing sort of like these back corners or anywhere along the back of the engine, you know, this can kind of get in the way. So so the first thing you want to do is you've got to pull off your gas strut from the ball. Now you can do this either the top or the bottom. I find it for this purpose, the top's easy. Just get a screwdriver in that little slot that's just there. I just normally pop this thing out. Try not to let it go flying. And then that's ready to pop out. Now with one in there, chances are your bonnet will fall down. So just leave it in there while you pop the other one out. Alright, with the other side out, I'll just pop that out, drop it down, and just push up. Now, with it there, if we were to let it go of it, it's going to fall down. So they've even thought this. So there is a little stay, just pull it forward, push it down, drops over that little tab there. Do that on the other side, your bonnet will stay right in place. It is that easy. Now, as you can see, I've got really good access into this right back in the corner of the bonnet. When it comes to putting these back in, if you're like me and you've totally removed the clip, you can see the end profile there. Hopefully that focuses in all right. So you can slide these clips in sort of from the top and back in place. There you go, just along that. Then when you whack it in, it's just a matter of pushing it back in place. Make sure that clip's sitting in there properly. There, it's not going away. Do that again on the other side and you're good to go. So hopefully, if you didn't know about this little trick before, you do now, and yeah, I hope you find it useful, because I certainly have over the years. So anyway, I'll see you next one. Cheers guys.